Okay, we have now come to the last question. So this question is an exercise of finding the estimate, mean, the variance, and then the standard deviation. So the question reads, consider the following data collected on the number of VIP passes sold during a sample of 14 days at a movie theater. What is the standard deviation of VIP pass sales? So these are the values of the number of VIP passes. I am going to transform it into a more useful form and easy to read one, which is in this table below, which shows you that on some day, there were 2 days where there were zero VIP passes. 1 day where there was 1, 2 days where there were 2, 3 days where there were 4, 4 days where there were 4 issued, 5 days when there was 1. So what is the mean or the estimate of the number of VIP passes? So we can obtain the estimate of sales by taking the mean of the sample, which I have showed you as there were 14 days, 1 divided by 14, then the number of passes sold on that day and the occurrence 2, and so on and so forth. You will obtain that the mean of the value of passes sold will be, the standard deviation of the value of pass sales will be 2.71428. Next, we shall find the variance. Do take note that this is an estimate of the variance since it's a sample, so we will use 1 divided by 14 minus 1, which is 1 divided by 13. The rest follows from the variance formula, as you can see for the case where the number of passes sold on that day was 0. So you get 0 minus the mean squared times the number of days, which was 2. So this formula continues for all the various days. For those days where there was 1 pass sold and the average is 2.71428 squared times 1, and the case follows for the other cases, you will find that the variance of sales is 2.37363. We all know that the standard deviation of sales is the square root of the variance of sales, which you get 1.54. From the options given, the answer will be C. Now that we have come to the last question, I would like to thank you for your attention and for following me throughout the series if you have, and have a great e-learning week ahead. Goodbye.